Hi YouTube. This is how we do our grocery shopping. Yeah, you know our cars sort of broke down, so this is what we do. Don't break the floor, you know, be careful. This is what we have to do, you know. Get our grocery shopping done. That's cart number 1.
Come on, nigga. Malik, we need your help.
We miss our vehicle. We miss our vehicle so bad. Okay.
That way.
We really need our vehicle. Because this is like really, it's really ridiculous that we have to do this, you know. They just
stop recording us.
They just had to. Okay, yeah, those are my 18-year-old twins, even though they don't look alike. And that's Malia dancing around. You know, like she's starving. But yeah, there you have it. 2 cars full. Now it's time to put this stuff up.
We might have to read the hose.
Yo, turn that goddamn camera off.
Who are you talking to, son?
Malik, no time for